Welcome 4th standard children to your English video class. Now in the last two, that is after the exam, I have taken two videos of the second lesson. In the last class I have explained the lesson and I gave you all the homework also, that is to copy down the meanings and to learn and to read the lesson 3 times. Reading the lesson is very important, I told you. So in this class I am going to discuss all this to you all. That is on page 19. On page 19, that is talk about it. Your teacher will read out section 1. Now tick the correct sentence. Now what all are correct, we will tick it out. Only the clouds reached the mountain's peak. Now in the lesson, what did you all read? Only the clouds reached the mountain peak. Is it right or wrong? It is right. So put a right there. Then the number 2, the mountain felt lonely in summer, isn't it? In summer when the sun shone, what happened to the clouds? They all went to the winter kingdom. So felt lonely in summer. Yes, truly the mountain felt lonely. So that also correct. The sky spoke kindly and lovingly to the mountain. Did the sky spoke angrily? No. Kindly and lovingly. That also put a tick there. The mountain thought about going to the summer kingdom, isn't it? When the clouds all went to the winter kingdom, the mountain thought of going to the winter kingdom, not to the summer kingdom. Here they have written summer kingdom. So that is wrong. The sky said that mountains have to stay in one place, isn't it? Now when the mountain told, I want to go to the winter kingdom, what did the sky tell? You are very heavy. You have to remain in the same place. You cannot move, isn't it? So that also right. Now the next one, B, is discuss these questions. So no, I am not giving you all notes to study. We will just discuss. Why did the mountain become even sadder? Because when the clouds went to the winter kingdom, the mountain also thought of going to the winter kingdom. But the sky told, you are very heavy, you are not able to move. So the mountain felt even sadder because all other creatures can move and see exciting new things. Only the mountain have to stand still in one place. So that made the mountain even sadder. Now what happened when it began to cry? The mountain began to cry? No. What happened? Tears flowed down like rivers, and the water reached the plains below, isn't it? Now why did it stop crying? The mountain was crying. Suddenly it stopped crying. Why? Because the plain began to talk. The plain called out to the mountain and said, thank you, mountain. You have given me water. I have drank the water thirstily, and see how I have changed. How did the plain change? Into green color. How green color? When the plain got wet, all the green plants, grass and all began to grow, and the plain became green in color. That's how the mountain stopped crying. Now the mountain felt there is a friend down there. Now what did the sky mean when it told the mountain? You just have to notice them. Till now the mountain did not notice the plain. Only now it noticed when the plain began to talk. And now he understood, there is a friend far below there. If the clouds go also, I've got a friend here down there. So one thing this lesson is teaching you all, you have to notice. Only then you all can make friends. There are friends anywhere. So you all have to notice. Only then you can make friends. That's what here the sky is telling. Now the next one is sum it up. See. Now there are 2 paragraphs summary given. Now you all have to read and find out which is the correct summary. So while reading you all can understand the first and the second, that you all do at home. You all read the summary and find out which one is correct. Summary 1 or summary 2. That you all read and put a tick there. Now the next one is what? Now then worksheet. In the worksheet, tick the correct answers. The mountain was lonely because why it was lonely? Because it was alone in the blue sky. Now in the summer, the mountain felt very sad because why? It missed the clouds. It missed the clouds. Now I will do this exercise and send to you all. The sky's children had gone where? Had gone to the kingdom of winter. The sky told the mountain that mountains are heavy and always stay in the same place. Now the mountain helped the plain by giving it water, isn't it? That's why the plain thanked the mountain. Now answer these questions. Now 5 questions are there. Answer these questions. 5 are there. That I will send it to you all as notes. So then you all can copy down and study. Why did the mountain have very few friends? Why? Because the mountain was very tall, high, standing in the sky. So it had no friends. Only the clouds can reach the mountain peak. Now where did the clouds go in summer? In summer, where did the clouds go? The clouds went to the winter kingdom. Now why couldn't the mountain go there? The clouds went to the winter kingdom. Why couldn't the mountain go there? Because the mountain was very heavy and the mountain only can stand still. It cannot move. Why was the mountain sad? Why was the mountain sad? Sad because the clouds all went to the winter kingdom and it had no friends and it was feeling very lonely. That's why the mountain was sad. Even sadder means you have to write what? Even sadder means the mountain cannot move. It cannot see all the exciting things in the world. That's why the mountain felt even sadder. 2 places they are telling. Why the mountain felt sad? Why did the mountain feel even sadder? 2 are there. Now what happened when the mountain cried? What happened? You all know tears began to flow like rivers and the rivers all wet the plains far below. So these 5 answers I will send to you all as notes. You all copy down and study. I hope all have studied the meanings. First you all have to copy the meanings. Okay children, that's all for this video. Thank you.